This is a video for Hauke, hope I've pronounced your name right, who asked how do I set up in Affinity Publisher the functionality where I can edit one box here, and you'll notice I put two asterisks in there, it's changed everything else. It's a functionality called symbols in the software, so you can get this little tab and you access that through the window and symbols. And this is in version 2 of Affinity Designer. So if I want to do that again, then what I'll do is I'll create something, I'll just call it test text, and I can change the font. I'll change it to something different. Now what we do is we navigate to the symbols tab, which again you activate from up here, and we're going to create a symbol, and then you'll see this has arrived in here, and in the layers panel it's now got this orange stripe next to it and a little circle showing that it's syncing. You can turn syncing on and off. Why you'd want to turn it off, I'm not sure. And then it's just a case of dragging that to your other artboards. So I'll hold down the command key on Mac, I'll stick that there, and now when I change it in my little panel, it updates in this area here. Now, the final thing that I'll note for other people who may come to this video is what exactly are these separate sections. These are what's known as artboards. So there's a little artboard panel here, and it allows you to create an extra area which can be exported separately. It arrives in as artboard 1, so you give it a useful name. Let's suppose I'm going to have some artwork for my Wix website. I'd give it a size, so I'll say it's 1024 by 768 perhaps. This can be then moved to a separate place, and then I could just go about populating that, and you'll notice that when I do add it, I can actually change the size of it. Don't change the font size, but actually drag the handles, dragging across like this. So I'm creating a new area, and when I update these, it updates that area as well. So I hope that's useful, and then we can export from the different artboards to create the different graphics. Now, one thing I'm going to pose as a question to someone who might be watching this, hopefully you'll be able to help me. Oops, I always do that. Reset rotation. And that is, how do I change the background? Can I do the background as a symbol? Because at the moment I'm repurposing this bunch of templates to have this background. So what I've been doing is going into each one in turn, deleting it, taking this background here, dragging it across, and then I'm having to manually regenerate it, which is fine, I guess, but it doesn't feel very efficient. So wouldn't it be nice if I could have this as a symbol and I could change that out? I'm not sure how to do that, but if you do know, let me know. Thanks for watching. Hauke, I hope I pronounced your name right. I hope that's helped. Thanks for watching.